are entitled to verify the antecedents. Lie, judgment, lie.
Yes, Your Lordship. There is one judgment. I'm only relying
That
on
is against you.
this one. I'll only rely on the ratio of that judgment.
Right. आपको कुछ कहना है?
Lordship, their acquittal is not clean or honorable acquittal.
कैसे कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा? क्लीन एक्विटल क्या होता है?
My lord, if this is the findings of the committee report, this is filed as.
तुम बताइए ना, थोड़ा डिफाइन तो करिए व्हाट इज क्लीन एक्विटल. संदेह का लाभ देके छोड़ा गया है क्या इनको?
But so far as the screening committee report is
नहीं,
concerned,
स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी ने इसमें समझा है ना. स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी में none of the police personals will come out clean. अगर क्लीन एक्विटल क्या चीज होती है तो समझाइएगा.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is a case of appointment, Your Lordship. It's, the petitioner claimed appointment to the post of constable, Your Lordship, and it's in the character verification form, he submitted the details of the pending criminal or decided criminal cases against him.
जी.
It was submitted that 3 cases were pending, decided.
लॉ बहुत बहुत क्लियर है.
Yes, Your Lord.
That police, for a police job, they are entitled to verify the antecedents. Lie, judgment, lie.
Yes, Your Lord. There is one judgment. I'm only relying
That
on
is against you.
this one. I'll only rely on the ratio of that judgment.
Right.
It's not specifically with respect to police, but the judicial services aspect was considered in that. Para 6 to 9 is the relevant.
Clear.
I'll straight away read from Para 8, Your Lordship. The appellant, by dint of hard academic labor, was successful at the competitive examination held on 16/8/2009, and after Viva OC was selected and recommended for appointment by the Ministry of Public Service Commission on 14/10/2009. In his attestation form, he had duly disclosed this prosecution and acquittal. Mere disclosure is an appropriate case. In an appropriate case may not be sufficient to hold for suitability in employment. Nonetheless, the nature of allegation and the conduct in the facts of the case would certainly be a relevant factor. While others so recommended came to be appointed, the selection of the appellant was annulled on 4/6/2010 in view of the character verification report of the police. Your Lordship, even in my case, the character verification report was called and it was admitted in the character verification report by the respondent that I have duly disclosed all the cases against me and that I have also been acquitted in those cases.
What is the nature of those cases?
Yes, Your Lordship.
That is important.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Because your criminal antecedents can still be considered. ये जजमेंट नहीं है, एक और जजमेंट है अपने हाई कोर्ट का, शायद 2014 का या 16 का है.
Yes, Your Lordship, it has been discussed.
हाँ.
I will fairly disclose, Your Lordship, there were 3 cases. In one case, I was charged with section 294, 323, 506 and 34. And that one which they have very strenuously objected to is that I have a case registered against me under section 25 of the Arms Act.
Yes, yes.
In that case also I was acquitted.
ये अवतार सिंह तो इन्होंने कंसीडर ही नहीं किया ना.
Yes, Lord.
अवतार सिंह जो है, ये आप जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट जिस अवतार सिंह
Yeah, Lord.
यह है.
Yes, Lord.
If empanelment creates no right to appointment,
Yes, that has been
equally
considered.
there can be no arbitrary denial of appointment after empanelment.
Para 10 में किया है, Lord.
हाँ, देखा उसको मैंने.
Para 11 में फिर उसको distinguish भी किया है इस केस के regarding में.
जी.
बोला in the entirety of the facts and circumstances of the case, we are of the considered opinion that the consideration of the candidature of the appellant and its rejection are afflicted by a myopic vision, blurred by the spectacle of what has been described as moral turpitude, reflecting inadequate appreciation and application of fact also, as justice may demand. So, Your Lordship, I would only submit that the prerequisite of declaring the crimes that were registered against me and that I was acquitted in all those crimes have also been, it would be a relevant factor in a driving factor in case like this.
Acquittal का orders बताइएगा.
Yes, Your Lordship. That would be page number I'll straight away point it from the here only.
जी.
Annexure P3, Your Lordship.
P3 is the affidavit, Lord.
पढ़िए
P3 and the relevant page is page 17. The judgment starts from page 17. And in that paragraph number 11 is relevant, 11 and 16. Para 11 से पढ़ रहा हूँ।
जी
फलतः उक्त विवेचना के आधार पर अभियोजन यतियुक्त संदेह से परे यह प्रमाणित करने में असफल रहा है कि आरोपीगण के द्वारा फरियादी के साथ मारपीट कर स्वेच्छा उपहति कारित की गई है। अतः विचारणीय बिंदु क्रमांक 2 अभियोजन प्रमाणित करने में असफल रहा है। This was with respect to question number 2 and minutes with respect to question number 1 and 3 wherein it was alleged that petitioner has hurled abuses, that has been answered in paragraph number 16. अतः अभियुक्तगण किशोर कुमार, जित्तू उर्फ जितेंद्र, राजकुमार बैन को आरोपित अपराध से दोष मुक्त किया जाता है और अभियुक्तगण को स्वतंत्र किया जाता है।
ठीक ठीक आई विल पास आउट इसको रख लीजिए आपको कुछ कहना है
Lordship, their acquittal is not clean, or honorable
क्या
acquittal.
कैसे कैसे मालूम पड़ेगा क्लीन एक्विटल क्या होता है
My lord, this is the findings of the committee report. This is filed as
तुम बताइए ना थोड़ा डिफाइन तो करिए व्हाट इज क्लीन एक्विटल संदेह का लाभ देके छोड़ा गया है क्या इनको ऐसा लिखा है क्या इसमें फाइल दीजिएगा 1 मिनट के लिए बताइएगा क्लीन एक्विटल क्या चीज होती है
really submitting, Lordship, this acquittal is there. But so far as the screening committee report is
नहीं
concerned,
स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी ने इसको समझा है ना स्क्रीनिंग कमेटी में नन ऑफ द पुलिस पर्सनल्स विल कम आउट क्लीन अगर क्लीन एक्विटल क्या चीज होती है तो समझाइएगा एक ऑर्डर P3 हो गया दूसरे केस
Yes, Your Lordship. In the other case also, that will be
page number
in P3 only, Your Lordship. The page number would be 22 to 26 and relevant para is 13. Para 13 पढ़ देता हूँ, पेज 25 पे है।
जी पढ़िएगा प्लीज
अतः उपरोक्त विवेचना के आधार पर न्यायालय इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचता है कि स्वयं प्रार्थी जयदीप गुप्ता ने घटना का समर्थन नहीं किया गया है, बल्कि अभियोजन कथानक के विपरीत कथन किए हैं। चक्षुदर्शी साक्षी हरजीत सिंह ने भी घटना की जानकारी होने से इनकार किया है। साक्षी अश्वनी कुमार प्रजापति प्रार्थी की मोबाइल दुकान की
ठीक दिखा देंगे रख लीजिए चलिए और डिस्पोज
ग्रेटफुल